Combine 1.5 liters of milk and 450 grams of sugar. Add the vanilla, then bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. While the milk is coming to a boil, whisk together 6 eggs and 180 grams of plain flour until smooth, just as shown in the video. As soon as milk starts to foam, remove it from the heat to prevent it from boiling over. We don't need it to reach 100 degrees, it only needs to come to a boil. Now it's time to temper the egg mixture. Slowly pour the hot milk into the egg and flour mixture in a thin stream, whisking constantly to prevent the eggs from curdling. Half of the milk is enough for tempering. Then pour the tempered mixture back into the remaining milk through a fine sieve. The sieve will catch any lumps of flour, giving you a perfectly smooth custard. Return the saucepan to medium heat and cook the crème pâtissière until it thickens to the consistency shown in the video. Stir continuously to prevent lumps from forming and to keep the crème pâtissière from catching on the bottom. This step takes time and patience. Once the cream has reached the consistency, add 30 grams of butter and whisk until it has completely melted and is fully incorporated. Transfer the crème pâtissière to a wide dish to help it cool more quickly. Let it cool to room temperature before moving on the next step. Cover the crème pâtissière with cling film, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. To cool the crème pâtissière more quickly, place the dish over an ice bath or in a bowl of cold water. Be careful not to let any water get into the crème pâtissière. Cooling it quickly also helps keep it food safe by reducing the risk of bacterial growth. Meanwhile, cut 450 grams of butter into small cubes. About 30 minutes before the crème pâtissière reaches room temperature, let the butter sit at the room temperature until it's soft but not melted. Crème pâtissière has cooled to room temperature. You're ready to move on to the next step, turning it into a crème mousseline. Beat the softened butter until it becomes smooth and creamy. If you don't have a mixer, you can also do this by hand with a whisk. Once the butter has reached the right consistency, scrape down the sides of the bowl. With the mixer running, begin adding the crème pâtissière, 1 or 2 spoonfuls at a time, allowing each addition to incorporate before adding more. This cream is perfect for cakes, eclairs, fruit tarts, pastries and many other desserts. In my next video I'll show you how to use it to make a Napoleon cake.